Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Rajesh Biogenesis CSR Net Chemistry Academy, Hyderabad, Telangana State. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about what is degree of unsaturation, also called ring rule. Okay, so it is completely explained how organic molecules are, whether they are saturated or unsaturated. Saturated means completely satisfied, unsaturated means it is completely unsatisfied. How much amount of unsatisfaction is there in molecules is completely explained by degree of unsaturation. So that unsaturation may be also considered as double bond or triple bond. So degree of unsaturation is nothing but, see here, the unsatisfaction. So you need to remember here now, see the unsatisfaction of organic molecules. How much unsatisfaction is there? That can be readily explained by degree of unsaturation. Okay, that unsatisfaction is also known as unsaturation. Okay, we know very well this word. There's unsaturation. Unsaturation is completely expressed in terms of either double bond or triple bond. Okay, if any organic molecule having double bond or triple bond, that molecule is nothing but a unsaturated molecule. So here, how can we calculate this unsaturation or degree of unsaturation, also called ring rule, respective this unsaturation formula? Okay, so here see, we can calculate like this: the number of hydrogens less than, how many number of hydrogens are less than alkane general formula? I am taking a alkane general formula. So how many number of hydrogens are less than alkane general formula is nothing but degree of unsaturation. So we know alkane general formula CN H2N plus 2. So where N is equal to number of carbons, where if you substitute that N over here, that will give number of hydrogen. So every time whenever if you take any hydrocarbon skeleton, we need to compare with alkane general formula. With respect to that, we need to decide what is its degree of unsaturation. Okay, suppose see here, suppose I want to write N is equal to 2. So how many number of carbons you may expect? That is 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, that is 6. So this is alkane general formula where you will not expect any kind of double bond. So if any hydrocarbon part carry 2 carbons, first you need to compare with alkane general formula while substituting in this formula. Then we need to confirm that how many hydrogens are less than alkane general formula. Suppose see here, if 2 hydrogens less than alkane general formula, if 2 hydrogens are less than alkane general formula, so this can be written as first degree of unsaturation. First degree of unsaturation. Okay. Now same way, if 4 hydrogens are less, if 4 hydrogens are less than alkane general formula, so second degree of unsaturation. Okay. Same way we can write every time 2 hydrogens are get differ. So if 6 hydrogens are less than alkane general formula, so here you may expect third degree of unsaturation. It is same way, if 8 hydrogens are less than alkane general formula, you may expect 4th degree of unsaturation, 4th degree of unsaturation, etc. Now the question will comes, how this degree of unsaturation has been calculated. Okay, suppose see, if du is equal to 2, simply imagine this particular molecule may carry one double bond, okay, or else it may also carry one ring. So automatically total number of carbons or hydrogens are satisfies when you write du is equal to 2, sorry, d is equal to 1. If d is equal to 1, it may carry one double bond or one ring. Okay. Suppose same way, if I calculate if degree of unsaturation is 2, so you may expect 2 double bonds or 1 triple bond, otherwise you may expect 2 rings. 2 rings also you may expect, otherwise you can say 1 double bond plus 1 ring. You remember these formulas? Always remember, when 2 indicates degree of unsaturation 2, this may carry 2 double bonds or 1 triple bond. 1 triple bond is equal to 2 du. Otherwise you can create 2 rings, otherwise 1 ring, 1 double bond. So same way, suppose see if degree of unsaturation is 3, so can you guess? Yes, that is 3 double bonds are possible. Okay, otherwise we can write 3 rings. Rings is also possible, 3 rings. Here 2 double bonds plus 1 ring. So like that many structures you can create. It is not only one structure, you can create many structures with the help of This all possibilities. Every time remember, one double bond is equal to 1 du, one triple bond is equal to 2 du, one ring is equal to 1 du. Okay, so this is one general formula. I will show one more formula to understand this. Okay, see, degree of unsaturation also calculated with the help of this formula. Here it is 2n1 plus 2 minus n2 by 2. It is one more formula to calculate degree of unsaturation. So where n1 is equal to, here it is number of carbons and n2 is equal to, here you may expect number of hydrogens, number of carbons and number of hydrogens. So you can use any one of this formula in order to identify degree of unsaturation in given molecule. See, I will give an example. Try to identify this molecule. See, this is C2H4. This is first example. See here how many number of carbons are present? N is equal to 2. Now first we need to substitute this N is equal to 2 in alkane general formula. So what is alkane general formula? Cn H2n plus 2. In this we need to substitute this N is equal to 2. So here you may expect C2, 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6, that is C2H6. How many hydrogens are differ for given molecular formula and alkane general formula if 2 carbons are present? So here it is 4 and here it is 2. So here you may expect 2 hydrogens are differ. When 2 hydrogens are differ, definitely this molecule having first degree of unsaturation. If they carry first degree of unsaturation, definitely it may carry one double bond or one ring. Okay, so here I would like to create this structure with respect to this 1 du. So it is helps in spectroscopy. It is also helps in identifying variable organic molecules with respect to one molecular formula. So 1 du means one double bond or else one ring. So first you take total number of carbons are 2. Okay. So here one double bond already I written. Then write down remaining hydrogens with respect to their valency. Already 2 bonds are there. Here 2. 4 is over. And here also 1 and here 1 more. So valence is completed. So it is impossible to create one ring with respect to 2 carbons. So that's why only this structure is exist. Okay. So one more I will give. See, this is a C3H6, same, approximately same formula. N is equal to 3 if I substitute. So here that is C3, now here it is H8 you will get if you substitute in alkane general formula. So what is the degree of unsaturation here? It is first degree of unsaturation. You may expect one double bond or one ring is possible. So one double bond means first you write down 3 carbons. 3 carbons are given here 6 and here height 2 hydrogens are differ. So degree of unsaturation is 1. So here I would like to write only one double bond here. Then substitute remaining hydrogens according to their valency. Here 3 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogen and here 2 hydrogens. See here 3 plus 1 4 plus 2 6. It is matches. So is it possible to create one ring or not? Yes. With 3 carbons you can create one ring. Carbon, carbon and here carbon. Create a 3-membered ring and here 2 hydrogens, here 2 hydrogens and here also 2 hydrogens. Okay. C2, C3H6. One double bond, one ring. See here same number of carbons, same number of hydrogens are matches here. C3H6, here also C3H6. So number of hydrogens, number of carbons never changes even if it is converted to ring to double bond. So one more example I will give. See, this is C4H8. Double the carbon number you will get hydrogens. So if N is equal to 4, if N is equal to 4, you may expect C4. Now 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 8 plus 2, 10. So here you may expect 10. How many hydrogens are differ? 2 hydrogens are differ. When 2 hydrogens are differ, now first degree of unsaturation. Okay, so you may expect 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write anywhere the double bond. If I write here, you balance with 2 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogen, here 1 and here 1 and finally here 3 hydrogens. Every carbon should carry 4 bonds. And if I take a 4-membered ring like this, it is also possible. Otherwise you take 3-membered ring, put one carbon outside and check out carbons and hydrogens, it is definitely matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons, 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 and here also same 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons. Now here 2, 4, 1, okay, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is 8 hydrogens. So you can apply this du formula directly. See, you can get this directly. Degree of unsaturation 2 into 3 plus 2 minus 6 by 2. See here, 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 6. Finally you will get 2 by 2, that is 1. So approximately you will get degree of unsaturation similar with respect to these formulas. Okay. Now here I am writing 4 carbons are present. Now I am writing C4H6. Now if N is equal to 4, what is the degree of unsaturation if it is substituted in alkane general formula? So this is C4, 8 plus 2, that is 10. Okay. So how many hydrogens are differ? 4 hydrogens are differ here. When 4 hydrogens are differ, so degree of unsaturation is second degree of unsaturation. Now here how to calculate in du formula? If you apply du formula here, 2 into 4. Okay. So 2 into 4 plus 2 minus 6 by 2. You apply that formula. 2 into 4, 4 carbons, multiply with 2, add plus 2, minus 6, and here finally you may expect 8 plus 2, 10, 10 minus 6, 4 by 2. So when value is 4 by 2, definitely you will get 2. Degree of unsaturation is 2. So if value is 2, definitely 4 carbons, you can write 2 double bonds here. Then see, balance with hydrogens. Here 1 hydrogen, and here 2 hydrogen. So if 4 carbons are there, you can also insert 1 triple bond. You can insert 1 triple bond anywhere. See, your value never changes. You can write the triple bond at terminal or internal, nothing will happen. Suppose see, if I take any ring, see this is 4-membered ring, now I am putting a double bond. Value never changes, 2, 4, 5, 6, 4 carbons. So 3-membered I am writing, I am putting a bond, and here one more outside you can write. You can write 3-membered, put double bond outside, you can write the double bond outside even. See here, these all structures are possible with du2. Okay. Now one more. So this is most famous molecule, everyone knows, that is C6H6. We know C6H6 is generally, you will think it is benzene. It is not benzene. It depends upon the du. Okay. So here it is one of the skeleton which is obtained with C6H6. Okay. What is the degree of unsaturation? See, 2 into 6 plus 2 minus 6 by 2. How much you will expect? 12 plus 2, 14 minus 6 by 2, 8 by 2. So finally you will get 4. Degree of unsaturation is 4. Okay. So 4 means with respect to 6 carbons. See, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons are there. Now I am putting double bond, next double bond, double bond. See here 2 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogens. See, 4, 5, 6. It is matching. C6H6. Now you can also create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons are present. Degree of unsaturation is 4 means you can insert 2 triple bonds here. Okay. So here 1 hydrogen, here no hydrogen, here hydrogen and here hydrogen, and here no hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen. Formula is matches. Okay. You can also insert 1 triple bond. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 triple bond you can also insert. Okay. And 2 double bonds you can insert. Double bond and here double bond. Here write 2 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can also create one ring. See here. Now I am creating one ring. I am introducing 3 double bonds. One ring, 3 double bond. Total 4. So benzene is one of the skeleton. Now I would like to create 2 rings. See, this is 2 rings. 2 rings means degree of unsaturation is 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are matching. Now put one more double bond, formula is matches. Okay. Now I would like to take 3 rings. Is it possible to create 3 rings? Yes. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 rings are over. Now 1, 2, 3, 3 rings are over. Now I am putting a double bond. You can also create one more structure like this. See, here I am writing 4 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that we can create many structures, in that one of the structure is benzene. So that's why benzene regularly known molecule for us. So every time whenever we write C6H6, we will easily isolate that it is definitely a benzene. But other than benzene, many molecules are possible. With respect to all possible spectroscopies, we can identify which is a suitable molecule for that. Okay. Now see, what happens if I take other than hydrocarbon? See, suppose if I take any molecule, see this is C2H5, here X is nothing but halogen. Suppose if halogens are given, every halogen we need to add one hydrogen. Every halogen we need to add one hydrogen. So same way here I would like to write C2H7, okay, next here followed by nitrogen. So where N is equal to nitrogen, every nitrogen we need to, one nitrogen we need to remove one hydrogen. Remove one nitrogen with one hydrogen, okay. Suppose if any oxygen is present, no need to remove any kind of, that's oxygens. See, this is oxygen where O is equal to oxygen in this one, and every oxygen, one oxygen doesn't affect one hydrogen. So simply you can write that formulas here. See here, suppose C2H5X is given. Now this molecule I am writing like this, C2H5Cl. Now what I say, one chlorine is equal to one hydrogen. So just you need to substitute like this, you need to assume like this, C2H5, this is H. So now this becomes C2H6. What is the degree of unsaturation? Du is equal to 0. Okay, no degree of unsaturation means it is a complete saturated molecule. See here, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, here two hydrogens, and here I am writing one halogen, that is chlorine, like that. Okay, C2H5N, what I say already, one nitrogen we need to remove one hydrogen. So the formula is C2H7 minus one hydrogen, means it becomes C2H6 or not? Yes, C2H6 means, now you can write like this, carbon, hydrogen, 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 and this is NH2. Okay, and C2H6O. So every oxygen doesn't affect hydrogen, so we can write directly C2H6. Finally, see this molecule, two carbons, here CH3 and here CH2, and this is OH. Now I will give one molecule, just try to identify C6H4Cl2. So what is the degree of unsaturation involved in this one? So what is N? N is equal to 6. So every halogen you just assume as a hydrogen. So C6H6 or not, we know benzene. What is the benzene degree of unsaturation? That is 4. 4 means you can create like this. See, benzene 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write 2 chlorine atoms at any relative place. Now I am writing 5 carbons, you write 5 carbons, 5 hydrogens and 1 nitrogen. So here every nitrogen remove one hydrogen, so C5H4. C5H4. Now what is the degree of unsaturation for this molecule here? So degree of unsaturation is equal to 2 into 5 plus 2 minus 4 by 2. Okay, so here 10 plus 2, 12, 8 by 2. So 8 by 2, finally you will get 4. Now here see, we can write 5 carbons. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 5th carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons attaches to nitrogen. Now one du is over with respect to this. Okay, so after writing one du, now remaining 3 double bonds I would like to write 1, 2, 3. See, formula is matches. Now here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, and here hydrogen, hydrogen, and here hydrogen. Okay, you can create like this. See, formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 5 hydrogens, 5 carbons, and 1 nitrogen. C5H5N, that is the relative formula. Okay, now we can also write C, that is C4, now H5N. C4H5N. How many carbons are present? 4 carbons are present. So now du will be, if you calculate, every nitrogen is replaced with one hydrogen. So we can write like this. This is only assumption, C4H4. So now degree of unsaturation 2 into 4 plus 2 minus, here we can write 4. Why I am writing 4? Number of hydrogens will be written here. So that is divided by 2. So 2 into 4, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 4, that is 6 by 2. Okay, 6 by 2, here molecule will carry degree of unsaturation 3. Okay, so here when degree of unsaturation 3 means, you may expect nitrogen will be one of the part of the ring. So here total number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are over, and one nitrogen should be introduced here. Now one ring is over by writing one hydrogen. One ring is over. Now I would like to substitute remaining two double bonds here. So substitute two double bonds here. Now see the formula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 1 hydrogen. 4 carbons, 5 hydrogens and 1 nitrogen. So like that we can calculate degree of unsaturation in variable molecules with hydrogens and carbons only, with carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and other heteroatoms like that. So that is about degree of unsaturation, and that is about how to calculate ring sizes and unsaturation in a molecule. Okay, thank you for supporting us, and every time try to observe our classes regularly, and that will give more boost for your basics as well as regular subject. Thank you for supporting.